if you want to take the prop firm route, like if you're a beginner, I like the prop firm route for beginners because you can buy a prop firm account for like a really cheap price. Like, let's say $40, right? Alpha Capital got $40 accounts. A lot of companies have like $40 accounts where you can get practice and, potentially eventually earn a payout, because the reality is, if you're a beginner trader, it's either you just want to use a demo account, which is fake money. Some people don't like doing that because, it don't give them the proper experience that they feel like they need. Or you can use a prop firm account, which is also fake money, but you have the potential to get a payout. So what I would say though, don't use real money. That's for sure. Do not use the real deal if you're a beginner. And if you use it, you got to go very small. So that's why having a real account as a beginner is hard, because you might start off with like a $300 account. More than likely, you're going to lose it. So instead of just losing that $300 in a real account, because you can do that off of one trade, the ideal is like at least buy a prop firm account, and then you can take multiple trades, actually have the analytics right there on your dashboard, and you can learn a lot about trading, right? So it's a community and everything. So good morning, Melissa. It's good to see you in the chat. I hope y'all dropped a like on the video for me. So far, the market is doing absolutely nothing. So this is why it's so important to wait until that 10 a.m. close, because you can avoid getting chopped up, Some days the market just goes straight up or straight down as soon as it opened at 9:30. Some days it don't. If we go to the 1 minute time frame, because I'm waiting for that first presented fair value gap. So it looks like that first presented is going to be right there. Technically, that's the first presented. Technically, it's right in the lower half of this new week opening gap, which could possibly mean that this area right here is going to hold price down. Going to see. It might even be a breakaway gap, but I still wouldn't trust it before 10. Before 10, I can't trust it. You just have to wait for a price to dance around and, give you more insurance, because this is essentially the middle of the range, right? We have liquidity down here where these yellow lines are. Then we have liquidity up here, which means what? We're in the middle of a range. 10 times out of 10, when you trade in the middle of the range, you're going to lose. Also, CCC Boxing, if you just, subscribe to the channel, stick around, you will learn a lot about trading, and how to how to manage risk. Because I'll be honest with you, I've lost a lot of money trading. So I always tell beginner traders, like, don't come out too hot, because that's the only way you can really lose a lot of money. Like, trading takes time, and it takes effort and consistency and a bunch of other things. So, just take it one day at a time. That's all I can say, man. Take it one day at a time. How you get? This is one of those no bueno type of days. If it don't do nothing by 10 a.m., time to log out and get some sleep. Learn how to read price action so you can avoid the choppy markets. That could be the title of this video.
Best not to trade until 10.
Just to make sure there's no more fake outs. Because it's not that the market may not, move today. It's just this first 30 minutes for sure is the chop. This is the 30 minutes that exhausts everybody. And then now you don't even want to trade no more.